you have a lucky year in 2025 since you have 4 auspicious stars helping you in 2025. Ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to my channel. This is Master Alex. Welcome. If you are born in the following year, your zodiac is a Rooster, which is 1945, 1957, 1969, 1981, 1993, 2005, and 2017. Those years belong to the Rooster, and if you are born in those years, you have a lucky year in 2025 since you have 4 auspicious stars helping you in 2025. You have 3台、地解、象星 and 3合太歲. Those stars are really good. Okay, we can say it like separately. Let's say for your career and business, the 象星 and 3台 will help you a lot. Let's say if you work for somebody, this year is a good year for you to explore like a new opportunity, or if you want to further develop your professional, this year is also a good year to do that. Or if you want to acquire some professional certificates, plus some professional exam, this year is also a good year for you to do that. Or if you want to start your own business, 2025 is also a good year for you to do that. Or if you are already a boss, you want to explore more opportunity, 2025 is also a good year for you to do that. You can acquire a new funding, get a new investor, or have a new partner to in your business help you out, or develop a new branches, explore new opportunity for your business. 2025 is also a good year for you to do that. Okay, in terms of the investment, this year the investment luck is also really good, but you need to watch closely for the market because there will be some ups and downs in the market. But in general, 2025 is pretty good for you this year. And for the health issue, there's some a minor health concern you need to pay attention, but shouldn't have too much issue. Okay, in terms of the love issue, there will be also a minor concern between you and your spouse or your partner. But in general, 2025 is pretty good for you. But if you want to further boost your luck in 2025, you need to find some helping hand, which is dragon, snake, and Rooster. They will help you out personally and business. And you need to stay away from rabbit, rooster, and dog. They are not really good for you, especially rabbit because they are always against you. And then you can use more your lucky timing to do something important. From 7 a.m. to 11 a.m. are lucky timing for you. 1 a.m. to 3 a.m. is the same. So anything important you can schedule on those lucky timing to do that. And avoid to do some important things on those bad luck timing, which is 5 a.m. to 7 a.m., 5 p.m. to 7 p.m. That would be fine. In general, 2025 is good for you. So enjoy this year, and I wish you good luck. If you want to learn Feng Shui systematically, I have a class online. The name is Accredited Professional Practical Feng Shui Master Course. I put the link down below. You can go there, check it out. Or if you want to read some Feng Shui book, I have a book on Amazon.com. The name is Practical Feng Shui 101. I also put the link down below. Thanks for watching. Thank you.